in this moment, I feel very excited and I feel very positive, and I just wanted to pass it to you. And whoever is watching this, I guess, who needs some encouragement or who needs to see that, hey, things pay off, or suddenly somewhere you have been working and you cannot see that breakthrough, but unknowingly, that breakthrough comes. And I just want to make sure that, I am the first one to tell you. So today, I want to talk to you about, something which is very, very fresh, new, something new that I did at work. I'm proud of myself because I didn't think I would be able to do it, and I do not know why I'm speaking like that.
Okay.
But, I think I just forgot what I was going to say. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rutvik. Today, before we begin, I would like to thank each and every one of you who have tuned into this video. It matters to me so much because it just does. I appreciate your time. So, first of all, thank you so much for clicking on that subscribe button and for tuning in. So, I would just like to take a moment and kind of soak in that happiness.
Oh my god, he is so dramatic.
Because last video, I broke my barrier and I got like about 8 views. 2 of them were me. I've been dreaming to do this since a very long time, but there were so many hurdles in my life and there were so many obstacles that I never truly really got time. But I realized that, hey, no matter how bad or no matter where you are or what circumstances you are in, you could always start. But I didn't. Somehow I waited for the right circumstances, although I'm not in the best of times. I have too many things on my plate, but still, I'm very glad that I started. With that being said, let's begin with today's... Oh shit, I dropped my mic. Let's begin with today's video. Alright, so before we begin today's video, I would like to tell you that why am I holding this mic? The reason why I'm holding on to this mic is because we have broken 2 mics before we reached to our 10th video. Now, that's very careless of me, but that's just me. So today's video is all about breakthroughs, and today as brown house problems. So let's coming back. Today I made an interesting breakthrough at work. Just to give you a brief context, I didn't used to work in the finance space when I started my career off. And as a matter of fact that, in the past 6 months, as I've become very deep in the field of finance, I started working in the field of finance and I realized that, hey, it is such a new thing and I do not know if I will be able to do good or not in this field, because although I was like very interested and passionate about it and I was pursuing higher education in it, but it does not mean that you have to, or you'll just be good at it by waking up one morning. And it's been 6 months that I'm working very hard at my job and still I'm not the best performer at my organization, and that just started driving me nuts. But it was not until today when I started to see some light at the end of the tunnel. The reason why I say that is because that I have been working day and night. I've been reading reports, I've been writing reports, I've been reading books, I've been reading articles, I've been watching videos, and I've been just listening to conversation, listening to people, how they communicate. All I needed was that one small piece of blessing from God. And today, I guess, not to make it too spiritual, I guess today I made that breakthrough. And the reason and the way I made that breakthrough is, I just kind of, let myself go and during a presentation. And during that presentation, I just let myself go and I just opened my arms wide.
That's what happens if you watch too much Bollywood.
And just let all the criticism, all the questions come through at the end of the presentation. And I knocked them each and every question out of the park with ease. And I have to say that, before this, I used to sweat, I used to get thirsty. I used to stammer a lot. It's not something that I do very often, but that's just my go-to, or I just blank out. But today, I was just very excited to answer everyone diligently, patiently, and I kind of broke out, and it just made me feel so good about myself. With today's breakthrough, I appreciate the amount of effort that goes into that thinking capacity, or that, you know, the kind of brains you really need to be smart. And becoming smart or becoming a good, you know, professional at something requires a lot of work. And today was just kind of a symbol that, you know, somewhere all the work that you do, it definitely pays off. And, you know, there is obviously a light at the end of the tunnel, and you can get better, you can practice more, and you just do not need to wait for the results. And somewhere it gets so ingrained, it's so deep within you, that you just need that one moment to soar, or just, you know, let your skills be out there, just be who you are, let those things come in. And suddenly, through a lot of friction, one day that breakthrough moment is going to happen. And with that being said, it gives me so much happiness to share this with you, and end the video here, because I feel that you can take this back, that, you know, just not a learning, but kind of an understanding that, hey, that you can practice and you can get better, and there is so much more you can do. And there is always new things to look out for. Even if things are dark right now, things are not, you know, good at all in the field that you want to be in, but eventually, if you persist, there is a spot out there for you, for yourself. And when you reach that spot, it is very exciting, it's very fun. 6 months down the road, I believe that I'm going to watch this video and I'm going to say to myself, what an idiot. There's just no reason for him to be so overly excited and overly dramatic, and because I'm just a hype guy, I love to hype stuff. And but at this moment, I believe that, you know, but I believe that, you know, we should live in the moment. And in this moment, I feel very excited and I feel very positive, and I just wanted to pass it to you. And whoever is watching this, I guess, who needs some encouragement, or who needs to see that, hey, you know, things pay off, or suddenly somewhere you have been working and you cannot see that breakthrough, but unknowingly, you know, that breakthrough comes. And I just want to make sure that, you know, I am the first one to tell you, so that, hey, there is a breakthrough, and that own little breakthrough within yourself gives you a lot of self-confidence, self-esteem, push. And I think that just makes you want to do more and be more, and, you know, just work that extra bit harder, because it's just, you know, fun that way. With that being said, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay indoors, drink lots of water, you know, eat a lot of green vegetables. It's very needed these days, because especially you're sitting in front of the laptop the entire day, in front of screens close to about 12-13 hours, and it's just going to burn your eyes out, and it's just going to, you know, make them very dehydrated. So eat a lot of green veggies and drink lots of nice cold water. And thank you for watching my video. This is Rutvik signing off. I will see you in the next one. See ya. Good night. Oof. What did I have? I think that's just a lot of soda.